Hello. Today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you, of course. Today, as you can see, I'm going to introduce you the Diaclara Magnetic Designed case for your iPhone 17 Pro. It's also on the market for the iPhone 17 6.3 inches and the iPhone 17 Pro Max with 6.9 inches and the iPhone 16, 15, 14 and so on the market, available by Diaclara. You have a lot of color possibilities. I have here blue, transparent with a little bit of glitter, and this is a light gray here. And you can also get this black privacy, magnetic black, or magnetic blue privacy, and magnetic clear, or magnetic deep blue. And of course, a lot of other colors are available as you need it, as you like it. For example, you can use it orange, magnetic red, magnetic orange, privacy, because it comes with an extra privacy stuff. And the big bumper is compatible with the MagSafe system. We have here a military drop-proof cover with built-in touch-sensitive anti-scratch screen protector. Yeah. You can see this here in gray titanium, or in blue, and in glitter version. The dual layer provides 360-degree full-body rugged protection, soft TPU shock absorption, and a razor four-corner surround of our phone, and protects it from the accident drops and falls. It's provided a built-in camera lens and the protector that can protect the camera 100% and will not affect the quality of the photo. And the Diaclara comes with a clear design, because the case comes in a clear finish with a built-in touch-sensitive and an anti-scratch screen protector. It protects the fragile glass from the scratches and cracks. And 1.5 millimeter raised screen edges and 3.8 millimeter raised camera edges. This provides an extra protection for a phone screen and for a camera system. This comes with a built-in 2025 upgrade generation magnetic ring. This looking and is compatible with the MagSafe accessories. Wireless charging is faster, easier, and safer. It works 100% with the wireless charging pads. Don't need to remove the case. Really cool. Of course, it's compatible with the iPhone 17 Pro, 6.3 inches. So you have to look what iPhone system you have in your pocket. And then you have to look what case you will need. And then it goes with it. You can easily install it into it, because this is a two-piece case, so you have to remove one, and after then you have all removed the clear ceilings of it, and then you can install or lay down the iPhone into the case, get the case cover on top, push it, and then it will be locked there. And after this, you're ready for a rumble, ready for a good time, ready for a compatibility, which comes with 100%. Yeah. Power up the protection up. Oh yeah, that's only for the iPhone 17 Pro. Full coverage, zero worries. Oh yeah, over 5,000 plus drop test, 12 feet drop height, no prob. Military level protection, no prob. Full coverage, camera protection, yeah. All this brings us this case. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and give a positive feedback. I'll see you again on my channel. Dun dun.